रिसेंटली रामा काणकोणकराचो जो इशू आसा ताचो अटॅक जाला तर हेजेर तुमचें कितें म्हणणें आसा?
आम्ही ऑलरेडी निषेध केला आणि तेका जस्टीस दिवंक जाय. सद्याक सरकार आणि पुलीस तयार ना इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन अनबायस्ड इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करपाक. एसपीन ऑलरेडी स्टेटमेंट दिला की ते इज द पर्सनल एनिमिटी आणि सीएम म्हणटा की ते इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन अजून कंप्लीट जावना. इफ इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन इज नॉट कंप्लीट, हाउ द एसपी नॉर्थ Rahul Gupta is stating that it is personal enmity? How can he make a statement, such irresponsible statement? He cannot be biased. He has to be impartial. Every investigation has to be impartial without taking any side. So this shows clearly there is an attempt at the highest level to put pressure on the police to say that it is the personal enmity and hush up the case. The masterminds are still at large. The masterminds are still in power. They are not being interrogated. They are not being questioned. So unless the mastermind of these gangsters are interrogated, Rama will never get justice. No one will get justice as long as gangs are free and the mastermind of the gangs are free, because they are holding high positions in the government. There has to be action on them. Why there is no investigation about them? That is our question. They have to be investigated. Am I right or not?
Yes. Correct.
So the government should not delay any further. The call records of the criminals, the gangsters are with the service providers. They can easily ask for the call records, whom they were reporting, whom they were sending the video clips, whom they were sending the messages, whom they are getting the instructions and orders from. Why are they not investigating these facts? This is the most crucial part of the investigation of every police officer has to do. What do you mean by throwing the phone out? Throwing the phone out doesn't mean the call records go out. Records remain with the service provider, the telephone service provider for 2 years. 2 years, it's a law, mandatory for them to keep all the records. So police should not delay, immediately act on this. Because of the political influence, the police are not willing to act, because there is pressure on them not to act. The facts will come only when the call records come out. That is our main demand. Call records must come out. Impartial investigation has to be taken place, and whoever is investigating has to be totally independent of the political pressure. Today, all this entire police station is controlled by the politician, the local politician, other politicians. They put pressure. They decide who has to be punished. The criminals are left loose, and the citizens, innocent citizens, are being harassed. What has happened in the same case with Sanjeev today? Innocent citizens who trying to uphold the law are being harassed today in Goa, whereas the criminals are free because they are linked with the politicians. So till police nexus is broken, there will not be justice. That is our demand. The police must act and work independently and give Rama justice by exposing those who are involved in this heinous crime. That is our demand.
Sir, that attack was taken place on the 18th of September.
Yeah.
After then, 8 people were arrested,
Yeah.
and many more also.
Yeah.
After that, ESP North has given a detailed report of the gangs. And then after last 8 days, they have not given anything about the
They have not given any
investigation.
detailed report.
What will be the reason of
They have not given any detailed report.
detailed report?
They have given only one. SP North,
Yeah,
Mr. Rahul Gupta,
Rahul
has
Gupta.
stated that the attack was due to personal enmity,
Wrong.
which is completely false.
yeah.
So there has to be action on this SP first, because SP is trying to manipulate the investigation.
No, one more thing.
So if the
The person was attacked, the Sarpanch, they are the same response accused.
okay, see these gangs are involved in all that.
Police.
Do you think they wanted to hide the main culprit?
Of course, not only hide, they are trying to
main-
protect, because the main leader, gang leader, ring leader, is in power.
Brain.
He is giving the orders, calling the police and giving the orders. His phone details must be taken. How many calls he has made to the police?
Yes. Yes.
From his phone
Demand.
or from his PA, from his henchmen, how many calls are gone to the police? And how much pressure they are putting on the police not to investigate Rama's case, because as long as gangsters are out, because the other juniors of gangsters are also out, they will continue to intimidate and harass and attack the innocent citizens.
Why the information is not giving after that? What will be the reason, and it will be continued?
It is the duty of the media to question the police.
Yes. Please do that.
Because you are the fourth pillar of our democracy, and if you do not question the police, Citizens will of course question the police, but you all have the more power to question the police, being the media.
सर तुम्ही म्हटलं की जो कोणतरी प्रेशर करता तो खंय एक PA फोन करता या तो पावरान मिनिस्टर आहा तेजें नांव कितें सांगूंक शकता
See, name can be disclosed only by the police.
Police record.
Because see,
Phone records.
we don't know whether it's one person or one minister, two minister, some officer, some politician. We don't know. So I don't want to make any false declaration unless the investigation is done properly. It is only the police can disclose because where the calls went from these gangsters, whom they were calling, that police are aware of it. Why are they trying to protect that politician or whoever it is?
The police are almost controlled by the politicians. So how the
That is the main cause.
That's the main
As long as the police are under the control of the police, on the politicians,
They're autonomous.
because Supreme Court also said the police as an institution should be independent.
Correct.
If the police are not going to be independent, then the corruption and harassment of innocent citizens will continue.
Too much of political interference.
Can,
Because
can-
if you question anything wrong happening in your neighborhood, some land grabbing or whatever issue like today Sanjay faced, then the politician immediately interferes because invariably there's a politician involved in land grabbing, directly or indirectly. They are involved. So many properties, at least 25 properties are being grabbed by these corrupt guys. In Porvorim itself, there are 25 properties. Then there are so many cases in SIT. So all the cases are not being selectively being investigated. If there's somebody powerful is there,
all
no action
over
is taken.
Goa, candle march is going on, all the protest is going on. People are asking, demanding the mastermind. But masterminds, no information is coming out from the police.
So police
So
has to
what
act.
is the next end? But even the
See, now-
reporter, they will also.
See, now if they don't disclose the police investigation, we will the people's power.
Yeah.
The only thing is
Lok
people's
Shakti.
people will have to come in thousands on the streets and demand from the police. to
Can
take it.
judiciary can work
There is
on
the
that?
other option is judiciary.
Yes, that's
Because
what-
now what happened in this investigation,
Yeah,
police has to file a charge sheet.
yeah.
You know, the police has to file a case in defense of Rama. Rama can be the intervening party. If his interests are not protected, if the investigations are not proper, he can always get a lawyer and say that these are not proper, this is not done properly. So now the government has said they will put them in the jail for under NSA. So for about a year they'll remain and about 20 days given to the High Court. High
Some
Court can-
people say that the police department may also change the proof also.
See,
So there is a possibility also.
As we all know, since the police department and the senior penal officers have always shown their colors by saying their personal enmity, that they are controlled by the politicians.
Yes, that's
So
what.
we can't expect fair
Investigation.
and transparent investigation. We cannot expect as long at the level of SP. He is making such statements, biased statements, instead of for suppressing the investigation and protecting the corrupt, the mastermind. How can we expect justice? So we have to look at an alternate option.
Because
Today,
now
today our representatives have gone and met the governor. We have given a detailed memorandum. You must be having a copy. If you don't have, we can share with you. Today, memorandum was given to the governor
Rama's
asking.
wife was there.
So, governor, we have asked the governor to intervene in this matter and retired sitting judge, High Court judge, should investigate under his supervision. There has to be very strong, deep investigation, and the culprits, the main culprits, I don't know if 1 or 2 or 3, how many are there?
We don't know.
We don't know the facts.
do you think that governor will help him? Because he is also the government side also, no?
But he can issue instructions. He can issue the order because he's the head of the state, no? Although he is like a rubber stamp. But the thing is, he can always ask the government, advise the government to investigate. Because, okay, you know what has happened to the earlier one also. See, there were 2 people who have lost their lives, and environmental activists who lost their lives in Goa. 2015, Father Bismarck Dias lost his life. He was murdered. Investigation, 0 result. There was a crime branch which was investigating that matter at Ramandar. I have personally given the name of the mastermind to interrogate. They did not interrogate a person. You know, they will go to such an extent, they will not interrogate because they are in, as long as this
think you should open up that
mastermind
case.
is in power, they will not. Now, ultimately, people's power, people have to decide whether they're going to get this politician back to power. This is up to the people. So, to get fair investigation, either the judiciary will have to intervene to the judiciary.
So almost now 10 days is over, 10, 11, today is 11 days. So people's
10 years,
memory is
10
also short. People
in the
may
case of
forget.
Father Bismarck,
New incident will come out.
In the case of Father Bismarck's murder, 10
Yeah.
years passed.
Yeah.
Till today, no justice.
No justice.
Vilas Mathur, he
That
lost
is also
5
Polvorin
years.
incident.
About 5 years back, we had a
Yeah.
candlelight protest there, silent protest in Polvori. The local representative did not come. The elected MLA, if he cared, he would have come. He did not come.
That means
unfortunately.
you feel that today's democracy is totally failed.
See, democracy is in the hands of people. I will not say democracy has failed. We have failed the democracy. The people are failing the democracy.
By
So,
electing
but democracy is who?
the wrong people.
By the people, for the people. Of the people.
People are not electing right person.
See what is happening. There is a lot of
Can't even say that today.
No,
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 why?
no.
Because the
No, no,
EVMs
no.
and vote chori.
No, no.
Can't even say that.
See, influence.
Whether they're right or wrong.
Ultimately, the people have to
See,
vote.
what I'm saying is, the opposition party is totally collapsed here in the democracy.
See what has happened is because of corruption and horse trading.
Yeah.
The people who are elected, our elected representatives, they are not keeping the trust of the people. They are breaking the trust and jumping over to the ruling government. Because there is a massive scale horse trading happening. It's all about money now. It's all about greed and corruption and money.
Too much of corruption.
So why are they crisscrossing and going to the other side? It's because of the corruption.
What do you feel about it? You want it to be, the law should be changed or this
See,
will
as
continue?
there is a PIL already filed in the Supreme Court, PIL is already filed in the Supreme Court. There is a person who has filed a PIL saying that, like the judiciary and the election commission, the police has to be independent, separate of the politician. Politicians should have no right to interfere. How dare they call the police and give directions to harass and arrest innocent people?
That means you wanted to that legislative to make the separate law for this. This law is necessary
We need.
Autonomous
See, there are
body.
so many laws. The problem is very little practice.
because
There is a-
they are representing us. Our representative lead
police-
the government and
yeah,
they makes the law.
Yeah, police has to be independent.
Yeah.
Independent of the politician.
That
of the
means who will
executive.
make that law? That these people are.
People's demand, public
The
demand.
only
We,
sol-
we,
see, there is
we the
already
people.
Yeah.
There is already a petition pending in the Supreme Court.
Hmm.
So unless
The Supreme
Court
Court
can
is
give
right
directives
there, the directives.
to the central government,
Then
and the
only
state
it is a
government,
possible. Otherwise,
because
it is
the law and order, police is a strict subject. They can always give a directive to ensure and give guidelines how, in what manner the police have to act independently. And those police officers who are showing the extreme biases, action should be taken for dereliction of duties. In the case of Gupta, is a clear case of dereliction of duty. He is completely shown his bias. So how do you expect if the SP North is going to speak against Rama Katkondkar? How will Rama Katkondkar ever get justice when he is saying that he is due to personal enmity?
Without investigation.
So one more
And the other
thing-
side, CM is saying investigations are not complete. Wait for it. So if the investigations are not complete, how come the SP North has given a statement saying that the attack is out of personal enmity? How? On what basis?
Yes.
Where is the evidence? He has to show the evidence, or the action should be taken. The police officer has to be suspended immediately, pending inquiry.
No, sir. One more thing I wanted to ask you about that. What is your name, sir? First of all.
I am Avartuna Miranda. I am an environmentalist of Goa and convener of Goa Green Brigade. I am also a journalist.
You're from which place? You're Goa.
I am from Panjim.
Benjamin.
I'm going there.
Goikar.
Sorry, I'm English in Orelo.
One
But I'm going there. I'm going.
No, one more
going
thing
to
I want to
Samarbag
yeah.
Zawata.
One more thing.